Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your first love read for the month of November. Let's see what energies are going on between the two of you, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Leo newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? For me, this is going to be person A and this will be person B. Okay. Person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Tower. Wow. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so Leo, from what I see, I feel there was some kind of a conflict here, some kind of an argument, or, not kind of, maybe some rash behavior here. Could have been a big fight, small fight, I don't know. But somebody here wants to end all that conflict and they want to now, move towards harmony and peace together once again, it seems. But the other person, well, they feel this is too much of a burden. They feel this connection has become too much of a burden. They've always been by themselves, stressed out and worried and thinking and rethinking what this connection is all about. They feel, I can't deal with this sleepless nights and worrying and wondering and, just kind of being bothered anymore with what's happening in this connection. In fact, this is too much of a heavy burden to carry now. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we start clarifying the rest of the cards. So, Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Okay, got three. We'll take a few more from here, Leo. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Okay, so the first card I have says, I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. I still have your pictures saved. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. Will you marry me? All right, Leo. These were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have first. Then we'll start the clarification. So, for my Leo gang spirit, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Activist. Somebody definitely wants to take action, or at least my angels are kind of giving you a warning that there's action coming soon. Okay, so this could be a week of some activity, some action coming in this connection. So let's see now what's happening. And I've already seen a tower, which was the bottom of my deck, right? So that is like some sudden change or something. So person A, let's start with person A and see how they're doing first, okay? So Knight of Swords. What's this Knight of Swords, person A, for you? What's this Knight of Swords? Okay, so person A actually wants to take some action. They want to take some quick, fast action because they don't want this chapter to shut down. They're feeling very stuck, they're feeling very left out, they're feeling very abandoned, and they want to take some swift action to kind of. End some conflict between the two of you. They've been manifesting it, but they've been doing it from behind the scenes. Not they haven't taken any action yet. Maybe things have become very, very stagnant, and now they are fed up because now nothing has moved, right? So now they're saying, I might as well go and take some action because I don't like this stuck feeling left out, left behind. I'm lonely. I'm feeling abandoned. I'm feeling left out, and I want to take that action now to somehow resolve this issue. So what happened in the recent past, person A, for you to be feeling this way? Eight of Cups in reverse. Okay, maybe somebody did come back, maybe wishing and hoping, but there was no answer, maybe. Or maybe they were thinking about it. They were wishing and hoping that somebody would come back. Yes, somebody would come back. Somebody would send them a message which never came. I think they just kept going back and forth in their mind, waiting, wishing, hoping that there would be a message which never came. And they were like stuck. They were stuck, waiting, manifesting a message which never came. Hanged Man Spirit, what happened in the recent past? Yes, now I think this person, maybe in the recent past, this person did create some kind of conflict. Maybe they were rash with their words, or they were very impatient, or may have said or done something which was very immature and childish, maybe. I think this person has been thinking about it, about whatever has happened, and they have been manifesting that I wish my person would come back to me, and maybe we can heal this broken heart between us. Okay, but I don't think that happened. No message came. No message has come till now. But person 8 doesn't want this chapter to end. In fact, they want the conflict to end. So what do you feel now, person A? How do you feel about the connection? How do you feel about this person now? Person A says, I want a resurrection. I want a rebirth of this connection. I mean, it's totally kind of, stagnated, Omkara Tarot. I wish we could just begin again. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for so long for maybe this person to come back or message. Judgment? What's this Judgment card, Spirit? Yes, I think they are recognizing this little bit time lapse in the middle where they've been hanging upside down. They've kind of figured out that, yes, I did sneak away, or I did do something sneaky. I'm ready to even apologize. I'm okay with apologizing as long as I can, I can get this rebirth of this connection. I think this person is looking into the future now, and Three of Wands, Spirit? Three of Wands. Three of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, they've been waiting for too long. They've been waiting for too long. When they look into their future, they see nothing, right? Maybe they see that it's not that exciting. The grass is not greener, going forward without my person. And this person now wants to return. I don't see anything going forward. Can I just come back now? And can we heal this connection, please? Can we sail together now, find peace and harmony? And this has come twice in their side, Six of Swords and Six of Swords. This is how they're feeling. Let's just end this fight so that together now we can move forward. So what action they're going to take about it, I'll open later, Leo. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, why do you have the Nine of Swords? Nine of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Swords, Leo. Person B says they gave me too much stress, too much anxiety. I couldn't sleep at night. I was always wondering if, what this connection was all about. Was it just, what do they want? I mean, is it only about sex, about passion? Do they want a sex-based connection, a friends with benefits kind of a connection? Are they with third parties? What is this connection? I am by myself all the time. I was at least wondering and just being stressed out about their behavior. This sleepless nights caught up to me, Omkara Tarot. Now I feel this is too much of a burden to carry. I just want to be happy in my own life, and I don't see this happening with person A. So I decided this 10 of Wands, I'm not carrying. I'm putting an end to this. I really thought this would bring me happiness, but no. All it gave me was too much of burden, too much of stress. I was doing all the work in this connection, and I'm putting an end to this. All I want is to be happy in my own life. Right? Am I right, person B? Yes. Person B again is saying the same thing. So they say, yes, my person was passionate towards me, like the devil, right? Sexual energy was, there, and everything else was there. But where was the love? They never offered me any love, no emotions. So I put an end to this connection. So what happened to you, person B, in the recent past that you made such a strong decision? When person B says, I always felt confused in this connection. I always felt that they were keeping secrets, and I was just being treated like one of their options. The secrets. Okay, 7 of Cups, Spirit. 7 of Cups. Yes. Person B says, I soon figured out that this person was only trying to trap me into some kind of a unhealthy dynamic, and this didn't feel like a soulmate connection. In fact, they created so many bad memories now by keeping me trapped in my head. They always made me overthink this connection. I was always by myself trying to analyze, what is this? Left me in confusion. In my own head, I was trying to analyze and figure out, are they with somebody else? Am I just an option to them? What are the secrets they're hiding? Because they would never open up to me. They never opened up, and now, well, it's gone bad now. Moon card. What's this Moon card? Yes, person B says, yes, they did come across as somebody who was like a flirt. They did say all the right things. They behaved in the right manner, but it was very, very short-lived. They would leave me here. They would leave me feeling, oh my God, where did they go? They were right here. Where did they go? Eventually, I was always left by myself, wondering where this Knight of Cups left. Have they gone to the next door neighbor and they're knocking on their door? Right? So, yes, they did come across in a very flirtatious manner, but once I thought about it, well, I figured this was not for me. So, how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B says, since I had so much time to be by myself and take care of myself, well, I made some decisions in my life. The first decision I made was to drop fighting for this connection. I just don't want to work on this connection anymore. I figured out that I have self-worth. I am the Empress. I don't need to chase anyone. I command attention. I don't demand attention. In fact, I'm looking away from this connection and moving towards stability in my life. I want to have a new beginning, which is actually going to have, something solid. Like, I want an offer which can grow from the Ace of Pentacles to the 10 of Pentacles, because I deserve it. I finally realized my self-worth here. So, let's see. Empress, say something to us since you're sitting here in the upright. Empress, say something. Give you the mic. Yes, Empress says, I'm in a very, very calm, healing place. I've healed myself. In fact, I have gotten out of waiting around for people who are foolish, because I have taken back my control, I've taken back my power. I'm totally into self-love. I have focused on myself. I'm healing myself, And I'm removing myself from being in solitude, waiting around for people who just can't make any wise decisions for this connection. So where are you going, Ace of Pentacles? Where are you going with this Ace of Pentacles? Person B says, I'm going towards my Ten of Cups. I'm going towards my Ten of Cups. I just said that, right? From the Ace of Pentacles, I'm going to go right till the Ten of Cups, which is going to be my ultimate happiness. And one more, Spirit. One more. Because I've chosen myself. And guess what? They're going to be in for a rude shock. They weren't going to be in for a rude shock because I'm not one of their so many. In fact, I choose me. And because I choose me, I'm going towards my soulmate. I'm going towards somebody new. And this is going to be a sudden move which person A will not expect to see or see coming. All right, so person A, will you take any action quickly? Person B is running away to new love. Devil. Why is the devil here? Okay, I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Leo. And also, this is my time to remind you to push that like button if you guys are enjoying this video. It really helps the videos to circulate. And newbies, if you are planning to subscribe, which I hope you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell because then YouTube can notify you when new videos will be released. So person A, why is the devil here in your action? What's this devil in your action? Three of Wands. The Tower. Okay, one more. And the Six of Swords. Well, they're going to be in for a rude shock. This person is going to be in for a rude shock, person A. They've been waiting around forever for something to change. But the Tower is going to be seeing their person move away, maybe into a new connection. Am I right? So what's this devil going to do, Spirit? Well, I don't think they can do anything. As much as they want to take action, they will be watching from the sidelines with a broken heart. Yes, they're going to find out something. Person A is going to find out something, maybe about person B, being with somebody else and putting up strong boundaries. It's going to lead person A to have some kind of heartbreak. It's going to make them very upset, very angry. Person B, what about you? Will you take any action? Queen of Pentacles. Person B says, I don't care. I don't care. I am shining bright. Okay, one more. Action. Yes, person B says, I'm going in for a rebirth. I'm done with being juggled by being, back and forth or waiting around for somebody. I'm going towards my Emperor. And there goes my doorbell as well. So yes, I think luck is knocking on person B's door. They are moving forward because they've been searching for this. They've been searching for their perfect partner. And they're having a total rebirth of their life somewhere else, it seems. Where person A is concerned, they're going to be watching, they will be shocked, and they will be heartbroken. I'm sorry to say that. So that's all I have for you. Lots of action going to happen soon, Leo. Be prepared. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.